friends, it's a beautiful morning. I am really enjoying this early morning calmness and soothing weather. The proverb rightly says, early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing also very good. Um, it's Today is Tuesday and the time is 6:35. I'm starting my vlog little bit earlier in this morning because I have to go for work a little bit earlier, because that's why I am starting this vlog in this time. In the morning, my first task is wake up my Balgopal. So let's go wake him up.
As you can see, I am using water in our doorstep. It's actually a ritual which I follow on daily basis. In my childhood, I had seen my grandmother doing this with cow dung water. This is my updated version. Actually, the main reason is in Hindu culture we cannot start our day without clean our houses, but I don't get that much time. Also, my maid will come to clean my house, so I am doing the formality. As you all know that cold water is very good for our eyes and it helps you to wake up properly in the morning. In India, we worship Lord Krishna and consider him as our family member. So we perform all our regular activities with him also. In the morning, when I wake up on the same time, I wake him up and I feed him his breakfast. First I wake him up, then I clean his beds and puts his mukuts on his heads. Then I will give his breakfast. In today's breakfast, I will give him some almonds. Now the time is to follow the proper morning skincare routine. Here I am using Dove soap to clean my face, which I also shared with you before. To moisture my skin, I am using a bit of aloe vera gel. I usually try not to change my morning habit of drinking warm water with lemon and honey. During this time, I make my whole day's plan. I think these things really make my day productive and successful on my personal and professional front. In this time, I mostly try to give some rest to my brain and focus on my work plan. I think yoga for minimum 15 minutes is really good for our physical and mental health amid our busy and stressful life. I really feel relaxed and more motivated towards my work. Here I am chopping some vegetables like tomato, onion and garlic for today's breakfast and lunch. Today I will prepare for our lunch methi, not methi, it's like a aloo methi and a green moong dal with roti. So guys, I don't want to be late, so just finish it and after that I will take a small snack. As it will take some more time to take my breakfast, so that I am taking small snacks. A glass of cow milk, which is a very good source of protein, and some cookies. After that I have to dedicate myself towards the kitchen work for today's lunch and breakfast. So I already done with my kitchen works like preparing the breakfast and the lunch. Those are done already. So here I am doing some little bit household work that I washed lots of clothes last day night. So just giving them on the sunlights. I don't know that today it will be raining or not, because last night it was very heavy rain. So don't know. Let's see what will happen in this rainy season. We have to manage with this. It's 9 a.m. and my husband already started his office work. I'm just giving his breakfast, but I don't take mine because I already take some good snacks towards before. That's why I will take after sometimes after taking a bath. So let's go for the bath.
So guys, as you can see me that I already prepared for the office. Let's show you what I wear today. Now the time has come to prepare some breakfast. So let's go with me. I will show you what I prepare for the breakfast.
In today's breakfast, I am taking bread with jam, an egg poach and a plate of idli. In morning, I try to take heavy breakfast as it is the most important meal of the day. After finishing my breakfast, I will go for my office. So guys, this is my simple and productive 6:30 a.m. morning routine. I hope you like my video. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Have a very good day.